Hello everyone and welcome to my Wealth Odyssey. It's that time of month where we delve into my premium bonds holdings and growing my emergency fund. Each month I'm giving you a realistic, honest update on how much I win, if anything, and what I choose to do with those winnings if I'm lucky to win at all. And if you've been following the channel for a while, you know I haven't won once yet. So this is the update for June 2026. So with the premium bonds, you're effectively lending your money to the government. So every pound is backed by HM Treasury. That means that your savings are fully secure and any returns you make are tax-free. So instead of earning interest, your money is entered into a monthly prize draw with tax-free prizes ranging from £25 all the way up to that £1 million magical number. The more you have invested, then obviously the chance of winning is a little bit higher. However, nothing is guaranteed and the majority of people don't win at all. I like it because my money is tucked away and it makes it a little bit more difficult, a little bit more sticky to actually get that money and spend it. So it's part of my emergency fund and I like that added appeal and excitement of actually holding premium bonds with the hope of winning big one day. Yes, I could be earning a little bit more money in a high interest savings account. However, it's more than enough fun for me by having that excitement at the beginning of each month when I check if I've won or not. So my eligible holding was £3,500 for the June draw, and that equates to approximately a 15% chance of winning. So we've gone up from 4% from my initial deposit of £1,000 back in November last year. So we are up to 15% chance of winning. So the average number of months it takes me to hopefully win would be 7 months. So did I actually finally break my duck and get my first win in premium bonds as part of this mini series? No, sadly again, another zero to add to the spreadsheet. So that is 8 months with no returns and another blue cell to colour in the actual spreadsheet. So at the end of May 2026, I added a further £500. So that means that my new eligible holding for July's draw is going to be £4,000. I also added a further £150 to my cash reserve, so that now sits at £900, which is fantastic. My aim for this calendar year was to get my cash reserve up to £1,000, so in all honesty, I think I'm going to do that next month. So that's a really nice achievement for one of my financial goals that I set for myself for this year. And that brings my total emergency fund up to £4,900. So doing the quick maths, I am £1,100 short of my target for this year of building a emergency fund value of £6,000. Okay, and as usual, let's have a look at what I call the biggest winners of the prize draw for that month. And I'm going to call these people the Fantastic Four in terms of the value of bond that they actually won with, and the actual prize value that actually returned, and the percentage gain I've ranked there. So in top spot, someone from Devon with a value of bond of £25 they bought in November 2020, which generated a prize value of £100,000, which is a 400,000% gain on their investment in just under 6 years, which is quite incredible. So well done to them. They take top spot this month. And in second and third place, also with a 400,000% gain on their value of bond that won, we've got someone from the West Midlands and also Shropshire with a total value of holdings which is a little bit greater than that 45k, with the person from the West Midlands sitting around 47k, and the person in Shropshire had a full complement of £50,000 invested. And what's quite interesting actually, number 4 on the list, someone from the West Midlands as well, bought a bond, a £5 bond. You can't buy £5 bonds anymore, but you can only buy £25 bonds. But they bought, back in May 1980, a value of bond of £5 with a total value of holding of £155. They have managed to scoop £10,000. So a big congratulations to them with a 200,000% gain on the value of bond that won. And just the 46 years they've had to wait for that return. But very well done to them. And that just keeps me motivated, and it's quite inspiring to see these small holdings that then go on to actually secure big prize value wins. So well done to those guys. I hope that you guys also actually fared a little bit better than me in the June 26 draw. And yeah, join me in July, where with a new bond holding of £4,000, can I chalk up my first win on the NS&I Premium Bonds mini-series? Yeah, of course I can. Cheers, guys.